In this video, I'll show you how to fix auto scroll not showing on Instagram. If I go ahead and open up the Instagram from my device and go to the Reels section, in the Reels, you'll get to see the three-dot line. If I tap on here, you'll get to see it's showing the auto scroll. If you enable this feature, your feed or video will be automatically scrolling one after one. But if you're not getting this option, then here's how you can fix and get this option on your Instagram account. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to do this process, the very first thing that you have to do, simply go and press and hold the Instagram application from your device and then tap on App Info. And from the App Info, go and tap on Clear Data and select Clear Cache and tap on OK and clear all the cache for the Instagram application. Then get back from here, and from here simply go and open up the Play Store, or if you're using iPhone, then open up the App Store and search for Instagram. And once you have searched with the Instagram, if you found any pending update, make sure to update the Instagram application to the very latest version. And right after that, just get back from here. And the last thing that you need to do is just need to reopen the Instagram application once again. And from the home page, go and tap on this profile button at the bottom right. And then go and tap on this three-dot line at the top right. And from here, you just need to scroll down a little bit. And you get another option called Early Access to the feature, this option. Just need to tap on this. And just need to make sure that you have enabled the Join Beta program. And if you enable this feature, you actually get to see all the new features that Instagram introduced very early to your account. And once you have enabled this, you just need to wait some time, and most likely you will be able to access to the auto scroll feature on your Instagram account. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.